Hello, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start with the exercise 5.1, the third problem. The weekly wages of 30 workers in a factory are, these are the weekly wages. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with intervals of 800 to 810, 810 to and so on. So we'll make the tally marks. We'll put this data in the form of a table. Let us see. So we'll take the first one, 830. We will cut it with this. We will 830. So where does it come? It is here, but it is not to be considered here. It is to be considered in this group. Put a mark like this. Then 835. It also come also in this group only. 830 to 840. So put a line like this. 890. So 810. It will come in this group. 810. Then 835. We have marked here one more 835. So this is 836 again in that group only. 836. 869 will come in this group. 870 will come in this group. So 869. 845 will come. It will come in this group. Okay, 845. So 898. So 898. One more group has to be there. 890 to 800. So 900. So then this will come in this group. 890. So it will be 2. So 898. This is to be cut. Then 890 again this will come here. 890. So 820 it will come in this group. 820. 860 will come in this group. 832 will come in this group, and the fifth one will be like this always. 833 will put it in this group, sixth one. 855, 850 and 60. 855. Okay, then 845 is here. Then 804 it is between 800 and 810. 808 will come in this group. Then 812, cut it here. 812 will come here. 2. Then 840, this will be in this group. 840. 885 we can put it in this group. And 835 is in this group. Again 835 is in this group. 836 again in this group. And 878, this is 70, this is 70 and 80. So 78. 1. 840 is 840 will come here. 868 will come here. 868. 890 890 will come here. 890 will come in this group, and 806 is coming in this group, and 840 will come in this group. So we'll count them and write it. What is the number? Tally marks. So this we should count and write down. Frequency is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2. This is 1. This is 5 plus 4, 9. This is 5. This is the fifth line which is drawn like this, 5. This is 1. This is again 3. This is 1. This is 1. And this is 4. And we have to write down the total. So 4 plus 1 5, 6, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 10 is 25, and 5 is 30. They have told us that there are 30 workers, so it should be fourth question, that is, draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in the question 3 and answer the following questions. Now we have to plot a histogram. Histogram 800 to 810, 3. So where is 3? See, here you can see there are 3. So we'll have to take this like this, 3, and draw mark like this, and draw a line like this. So this is first. The second one, 810 to 20, there are 2, therefore put a line like this and a straight line like this. 810 to 820. The next one, that is 820 to 830 is 1. So we'll have to put a line like this and the next one, you can see 830 to 40, it is 9. So 9 is here. You have to go straight like this, 9 here. And put a line like this and here like this. So this is 9. The next one is 840 to 50, it is 5. 5 is here and draw a line like this. So 850 to 60, it is 1. 50 to 60, we can see 1. Like this. Then 860 to 70, it is 3. We can see the data. It is 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is here. And draw this line. So we are drawing the histogram for the data. This is 3, 60 to 70. Then 70 to 80, it is 1. 70 to 80, it is 1. 70 to 80, it is 1. You can see on this side we have shown one box, that is 1 centimeter, as one worker. That is the number of workers with so much wages. These are the number of workers. Okay, so next one, 880 to 90, it is 1. 880 to 90, it is again 1. This data 890 to 900, it will be 4. So we will plot that 4. You can see 4 here like this and draw a line. So this is the histogram we have drawn for this data. Now we have to answer the questions. Which group has the maximum number of workers? You have to see from this and answer. Which group has, you can see here, which group has maximum number of workers? You have to look at the histogram and see which is having the highest. This bar is the maximum number of workers, which is that, you can see 832, 840, 840. So that is the answer. The next question is, how many workers earn rupees 850 and more? How many workers? We can see here in this group. 850 and more means 850 and 60. So it is how many? These many workers. These workers we have to count. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. So the answer for this is 10 workers. And how many workers earn less than 850? Less than 850 means what? This is 850 till 850. So more than 850 we have included in this group. Therefore these many workers we have to count. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 5 20. So we have to answer this. 20 workers are getting the payment less than 850. Now let us answer the next question also. We have to just look at the bar graph. This is the bar graph which is given. So we have to answer this question. So how many hours? This is regarding hours for which the students of a particular class watched television during the holidays is shown in the given graph. Now this is a graph. They have shown for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV. How many? You can see this is hours of the TV per day watched by the students and number of students. So these are the number of students. 4 number of students watch the TV for 4 hours. That is 1 to 2 hours. 4 students. Here they have shown that 8, that is 2 to 3 hours. So we have to answer the question. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? You can see here there are 32 students. It is 4 to 5 hours. So answer is this. For this is, we will write it down here, 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. You can see here 4 to 5 hours. The maximum bar that is there, the biggest bar is the number of students. And how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 hours, you can see here. Less than 4 hours. So we have to count this. So it is less than 4 means here till here. So 22 plus 8 30, 30 plus 4, how many? 34 students. So we have to write here 34 students. So 34 students are watching the TV less than 4 hours. The next question is, how many students spend more than 5 hours in watching the TV? How many? You can see more than 5 means this. So it should not include this. This is less than 5. So it is 4 to 5. 5 to 6. So it is more than 5 means this. So 8 plus 6. How many? 8 plus 6 is 14. So more than 5, it is 5 to 6, 6 to 7. So it is 14 students. So 14 students are observing the TV for more than 5 hours. That is 5 to 6, 6 to 7 hours. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have understood and liked today's problem. Share this video with your friends and classmates. Subscribe my channel for the latest information, and meet you all with the next video with a new problem next time. Thank you.